So what we show to the customers this year is the LifeDrive, the linear motor IFE drive, the smallest ever built drive unit for a sliding door. Yeah, we operate it just by getting close to it, so that is the touchless boarding feature. And we brought all the components into just this small little area, which usually is the rain gutter of such a drive unit, and where our drive units are usually right behind here, there's nothing. So the car builder can use that for his own area. He can have whatever he likes in there, some other screens, some electric equipment, and the place we usually use is not there. Closing is as easy as it gets here. We just touch it with the hand, not getting even close to it. And the very best feature of all that is, if I close and one door leaf is blocked for whatever reason, this door leaf is then locked out, as we can see, but the other door leaf is still possible to be operated. So people can get in and out, although part of the door are not working anymore. So that is a feature which, at the end of the day, is a unique one for the market, and as you can see, operates very well. It's the best total cost of ownership because we reduce the number of components to the minimum, and it is a perfect solution. And the first solution for that, or the first customer for that, is Mumbai Metro. So we will have it in operation next year in India on the monorail system in Mumbai.